Yo guys, what is up? I'll be showing you pointers in C. So pointers are just values that tell you where the memory address is of another value. That's it. It's as simple as that. So now I'll show you an example that I have over here. As you can see, I've got a variable called myAge with the value 21 in it. And then down here, I've got int star pointer. And this is going to be my pointer over here. And then you see the and symbol with my age. The and symbol will basically get us the memory address of the value of the variable my age. And then down below you can see the print statement over here, and this will basically output the memory address of our value for my age. And then the print statement below will output the actual value of my age. So now let's run it. And as you can see, we got the memory address over here, and then we got the actual value of the variable 21. So yeah, if you enjoyed this, then don't forget to like and subscribe.